Few emergencies and disasters are predicted. That's why it's important to be prepared at all times. My name is Mackenzie Scott, and I'm a certified professional organizer at Mission to Organize. No matter what's going on in the world, it's always a good idea to be prepared for the worst. But even if you have everything you need, it will do you no good in an emergency if you can't find it quickly and it isn't kept in good condition. In this M2O TV video, you'll learn how to keep all of your emergency supplies organized so that you and your household can be prepared for any unforeseen circumstance. Step 1. Gather all of your emergency supplies, including the dry goods from your pantry, your emergency tools from your hardware section, and that headlamp hiding in your kid's tent. Then place them all together in one area. I've started gathering mine together on my coffee table to take inventory. For a complete list of all of the items that should be in your kit, click the description below. Step 2. Choose and pack your emergency bag. It's a good idea to carry your emergency supplies in a backpack or other handled bag that you can easily take with you in a snap. A backpack is a really good idea because it means that your hands are free to open doors and hold things like a child or a pet. Once you've chosen your bag, pack it carefully using pouches or the pockets of the bag to separate items by category. In my kit, because it's so organized, I can easily find my first aid kit, my toiletries, my tool bag, and my food bag. Save a little extra space by clipping items to the outside of the bag using D-rings. Step 3. Now that you have your packed up emergency bag, choose a location that is easily accessible to store it. You may choose to keep it in your bedroom, near the bed, just in case you need to leave quickly in the middle of the night. The front door or back door are usually the best place to keep your emergency bag so that you can grab it while you exit. Make sure that everyone in your household knows where this bag is located. Step 4. Routinely check that all items in your kit are in good working order. I like to make myself a calendar event for every year to remember to check all of my emergency supplies. You can even sync this up with your annual checks on your smoke detectors. Then in my calendar event, I make a list of all of the items in my inventory that need to be checked. I review my inventory checklist, ensure the batteries on all of my devices are still working, and check the expiration date on all of the food items. Are any of the tools corroded or difficult to use? I even check to make sure the clothing in my supplies still fit properly, comfortably, and have no tears. Once everything has been tested and checked, I know I can trust each item to do its job and be there when I need it. There can be a lot of stress associated with the uncertainty of any disaster. After organizing your emergency supplies, however, you may find that you feel so much more relaxed because you know you are prepared for the unexpected. Looking for more organizing solutions that can ease your mind? Subscribe to our YouTube channel, M2O TV, and search for Mission to Organize on your favorite social media platform. We'll see you next time. Bye!